Hi, I'm Jason Wolf with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install the 90159Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS330T, which is the same as the CS360T installation procedures. Before we get started, we just want to make sure that we have safety glasses, a 19mm spark plug wrench, the YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, and a piece of wire that you can form into the shape of a hook so we can access the fuel filter which is inside the fuel tank. Before we remove the air filter cover, we just want to make sure our ignition switch is in the stop or in the off position. And we also want to engage a chain brake by pushing the chain brake handle forward until it clicks towards the bar and chain. To gain access to the air filter and the spark plug, we'll loosen the air filter cover by turning this knob counterclockwise. Setting aside the cover, pulling off the air filter, and then to gain access to the spark plug, we'll just flip this on its side, and then we can go ahead and disconnect the spark plug boot from the top of the spark plug. To remove the spark plug, we'll use our 19mm spark plug wrench. We'll unthread the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. We'll install the new spark plug. We'll just get the thread started by hand first. And we'll come back with our 19mm spark plug wrench and fully tighten it into the engine. We'll reconnect our spark plug boot. And then we can go ahead and flip this all back over and install the air filter. And then reinstall the air filter cover. To replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel cap. We'll pull the fuel cap tether out of the tank. Using our piece of wire that we bent in the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the fuel tank, grab a hold of our fuel line, pull it out through the opening. And there's a little fuel line clip at the end of this fuel line that we just want to hold into place while we pull out the old fuel filter. And then we'll reinstall the new fuel filter, ensuring that clip stays in place on the end of the fuel line. We'll go ahead and put the fuel line and filter back into the tank. We'll reinstall the tether and then tighten the fuel cap. This completes the installation of the 90159Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the CS330T chainsaw. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for additional YouCan maintenance installation videos.